Kobe's on the backside. Got an easy one. Daniels. And Kobe blew the dunk. Lost it.
I said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan.
Kobe on a roll.
Kobe Bryant just took a shot. And our Cars Jr. X-Mo shows you just how far down this ball was before he decided to come back out. This is amazing. It's in there, isn't it? All of a sudden, whoop, hits the side.
I said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan. I said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan. I said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan.
Iverson gets into the jumper, and the Sixers have the lead. Look at the comparison. There he goes. He's got it, shooting for the win.
I said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan.
He's 3 and get a 3 in the.
I said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan.
Watch how he takes the double jump. There's the fake. He steps forward. And what happened? The guys in the white.
Kobe miss. Kobe miss.
Oh
miss.
my gosh, I don't like this shit.
3, 2, 1.
I
Miss!
said, he's not Jordan.
Overtime,
He ain't
baby.
Michael
Oh,
Jordan.
yeah. We're going overtime. Peace out.
When he does it, they are 4 and 5. He must shoot the ball.
I said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan.
Ball. And this is what they do. They force turnovers. They average almost 10 steals a game. Iverson.
I said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael
Kobe does a
Jordan.
nice job. He gets a hand up, but that's why he's the MVP.
I said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan.
He is 5 for his last 8 from the field. Pat Croce backed his coach, told Iverson Larry was not going
I
anywhere.
said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan.
The pressure defense is he's been good at his entire career. He steps right in the passing lane, almost like a defensive back, laying back there where Kobe could not see him. He lays the ball.
Kobe Bryant only 7 of 21 for 15 points.
20 points in the first half for Kobe Bryant.
He ain't Michael Jordan.
Diallo and Diallo to Barbosa over Bryant for a 3. We just Bell is down on the block. Bryant.
I said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael
Lakers are
Jordan.
trying to stay in this series. The Lakers have never been swept in the first round, ever.
He's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan.
Tend to forget about him with the Suns because they're out running so much, but he's going to make you pay.
That was a rare second half basket. He just had 4 of them for Kobe Bryant. He shot the Lakers into the lead in the first half. He shot the Lakers out of the game in the second half. I'm
He's not
mad at
Jordan.
Kobe. He's got to
He
take
ain't
the shots,
Michael
but he missed 9 of 10.
Approaching 8 to
field
play
goals.
in
That's in the
regulation.
fourth quarter.
He's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan.
Bryant.
I said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan.
Kobe Bryant. Bell was vomiting and Barbosa stared him in the face.
He should be fired.
Kobe. Bad shot. 19 points to go with.
If you saw, when things start coming back down the stretch, it's when Kobe became a ball stopper again. When he would go on 1-on-5, that's when things made their run down the stretch.
He picked up the dribble too soon and just floated a shot up there.
Bryant, look at him weave and drive.
I said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan.
Playing better. What a playing better.
What a pass by Brown in the prime who thought he was hacked. Good defense by Barbosa.
He's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan.
You know, we'll leave Kobe's teammates open. We'll see if he trusts them and if they can help him tonight. Kevin?
All right, Craig Vegas have made a change. Out is Brown. In is Andrew Bynum, who works against Kurt Thomas right now. Farmar against Nash. Shot clock at 5. Kobe over down.
I said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan.
Kobe and Russian on the mid-range.
I said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan.
Never end for Phoenix, his first point since the first quarter. Going Bryant again. Shot clock at 4. Kobe.
I said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan.
Make all the decisions. So naturally, it is Bryant over Bell.
I said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan.
Scooping into Marion. Coming Bell on Bryant. And Kobe with ease takes it inside, and there's maybe the easiest layup opportunity of the night is blown up.
He replaced Smith Parker against Steve Nash, but he wants Jamon Williams to go against Barbosa.
Thomas is now on Bryant on the defensive
I said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan.
The effort to the execution to the shot against.
Every time they did it, Barbosa would get the sick hoop rifle, tries to clap through high with 26 points, and Kobe here fading down 6, missing. And Kobe again, 117 to go down 6. No, that's not going to go either. Kobe Bryant, this is a quick shot. He says he's not tired, and he still had energy.
The Suns are down.
I said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan.
Good save by Kevin Durant. He thought, and the officials say no.
I said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan.
No, dribble, right shuts him off. Now here's Iverson dribbling.
I said, he's not Jordan. He ain't Michael Jordan.
Inbound pass. Kobe fires from distance. He's not that strong. Now they catch him, throw it the other way to Lynch, and he scores. Very bad shot by Kobe. Here's the ball back. He's got the green light to shoot anytime he wants. Like right about now. That's his head and shoulder fake, step back, go again.
Spectacular move. This time it's a little behind the back. Change of direction, pull up, knock it down.
Bryant's against McKee, backing in, turn, they strip the ball, great.